Running today with the legendary R9 295. This is a 2014 video card with 2816 shaders. It's got 4 gig of VRAM GDDR5 running at 1018 MHz on the core clock, 1250 MHz on the memory clock, and 512 bits bus width. Today we're gonna pair it up with this i7-6950X with 10 cores and 20 threads. The best thing we can do for this video card with this i7 is just jump in a couple of games and see how it holds. Let's go. With this video card in this game, it's gonna be a slam dunk. It's not going to be any problems on 1080p maxed out because there's a big difference between the years, you know, but 2008, 14, there's like 6 years in between, and plus this is a dual BGA video card, and look at the performances this video card is offering. But he's putting the video card on 100%, 61 degrees, 62. He's making this IO apparently worth every ounce of liquid is gonna hit it up, seriously, in this case, this game. But it's giving me 300 FPS, 1%. Let's give it this. Oh, the pump is starting. Let's see if it is going to drop in the city, because I have to look back in the city. I mean that I have to look that way in the city. Yeah, I got like 70 FPS on average, 66 on minimal, and the average is gonna arrange itself. I got very interesting performance from this video card, maxed out, you know. But the moment I get less FPS, I get 488 watts consumption. So the moment I had 300, got nearly 600 watts. So it's a very challenging thing to see on this occasion, you know. Imagine having 2 of them in Crossfire and putting this at maximum. I'm gonna get 1.3 kilowatts power consumption. But it's doing the job. See, in this situation, the moment you look at the city, I think there is something with the CPU bound or something, because it's not related to the GPU. You know, when it's related to the GPU, it's gonna do wonders. You know, the video card is gonna be utilized and gonna give you the FPS. The moment you don't look at the city, you see the load on the GPU is dropping, and 1.2 gig of VRAM. In this situation with this video card, you can actually see on maximum details everything is good. You know, I think this type of game needs to be put on a video card like this. You know, it's 1080p. This game, if you get problems if you get 40p or 4K resolution. So on 1080p, the game looks fantastic and is running very nice in this situation, and I like it. There is no problem on playing the game with a video card like this. Hence, you see the Crossfire X logo there. AMD Crossfire. Look at this, 300 FPS and 670 watts consumption. What do you think is going to happen if we're jumping in Assassin's Creed with this video card? I mean, I put everything on 1440p. In S.T.A.L.K.E.R I had 1080p because of the game itself that didn't allow me to push it as maximum. But in Assassin's Creed, I have no problem on putting it on 1440p. Apparently, this video card can actually do the job. You can actually see I got like 65, 66 on the cores now. I got like 525 watts consumption from the whole computer. And the Crossfire logo is there. That means everything is going as smooth as possible. 62 FPS. I'm thinking if VSync is on, let me check. Everything is maxed out aside from motion blur, and VSync is off. Let's try turn it on. Let's see, VSync is on. Yes, so I got like 60 FPS. Now I know I put VSync on, and now I'm gonna go and disable it. I think 60 FPS in this situation, it's okay, you know. I think that if I turn off VSync, it's gonna tear, you know, it's gonna create half of the screen problems. I just wanted to see at maximum how the video card is working, but it's not utilizing the video card at maximum. You can see that 51, 100%. Both of the cores are doing like this, you know, 1 max, 1 max, 1 max, 1 max. You know, it's like it's splitting in between them. You know, it's allocated to 2.1 gig of VRAM. That's actually good. 6.9 gig of system RAM in order to get this performance. The game looks fantastic, seriously, with the video card like this, and in Crossfire it's even better. There's no load on the CPU side. I mean, like 20-25% load, and with the whole consumption around 530 watts consumption. So it's being utilized, you know. In nearly 600 watts, it was giving me that performance in S.T.A.L.K.E.R. So in this situation, I'm inclined, you know, to say it's not working. It does work, you know, and having that buffer in front with 60 FPS, it allows the game to be very steady, you know. Even let's say you got like 70% load on the video card because it doesn't show you like that, but the moment you got a lot of details, maps, effects, you look at the site, seriously, it's fantastic. Then it's gonna load up the video card, you know, and it consumes over 500 watts. I like this, you know, idea that you can give a little breathe for the video card and the system to actually perform okay, you know. When it's not needed, don't use it. But if we're jumping in Watch Dogs with this video card, you're gonna see that I'm gonna get 620 watts consumption from this video card and this computer. It's putting the video card on 72 degrees. This is actually interesting because I knew this video card is gonna be cool all the time. I'm using it in Crossfire, but I put everything on high details in order to see if I can play the game. I tried to put it on ultra and it was stuttering with, oh my god, it was unplayable. Okay, so in this situation, apparently I got around 60-70 FPS, you know. Sometimes if you put if you get a little more FPS, in some situation you see it's running to 667 watts consumption. So as a preset here, I got like spikes everywhere. Seriously, I don't understand this game, seriously. So minimals and average is gonna be the FPS, and the average is gonna be the only one that is going to dictate the performance. Look, spikes everywhere. Regardless, it's working. I think medium detail will be even better because it's got less stress on the VRAM. I got like a 3.9 gig of VRAM in this case utilized. It's reaching maximum and fully loaded on the core. Not a bad performance, you know, but yeah, I need to do the right settings here, you know. I'm on 1440p with this video card and it's a lot apparently for this video card. Let's try medium details. Maybe it's gonna be much better on the video card. So medium details, apparently I got like 60 FPS, so that is a good performance from this video card. 2.5 gig of VRAM utilized. I got like 90% load on the video card's core, not fully all the time, but it's doing okay, you know. Now it became under 70 degrees. So if it became under 70 degrees, you know, the video card, it's actually good for the core. So in this situation, I can say this is an adequate performance from this and not a big problem. In Far Cry with high details as a preset with 1440p, you can actually see the quality is spot on. With the Crossfire activated, you get 682 watts consumption from this video card with the system. I got 70 degrees on the video card core. Very interesting performance, but yeah, I got 90 FPS. If I put higher render scale, I can double the render scale and maybe put maximum preset, then you will going to reach maximum VRAM utilization. And I'm panicking every single time I reach 3.9 because I know the video card is gonna do something really stupid or glitches, or I've seen in Watch Dogs how it was glitching with 3.9 gig of VRAM, nearly 4 gig of VRAM, and I was like, okay, it's not doing okay. In this situation, it's kind of fantastic, you know. It's utilized at maximum, it's doing great, frequency it's good, it's spot on, 30% load on the CPU side. You can actually see it looks kind of great with this video card, and the CPU, it's helping this video card too in this game. Good averages, you know, around 100, and got like 69 on 1%. Nice, seriously. But all in all, I can say this is a very adequate performance from the video card. Even though I disagree with how should I say, with the physics in the game, with impact bullets and stuff like that, I think this is a good optimization from the game, you know, and how it's being utilized in this case. Look at that. What a nice performance overall. I like it. You can actually see, if you're looking from up top, you get like 80-90 FPS on average, around 78 actually, Daniel. But all in all, I can say the Crossfire with this Far Cry is doing fantastic. I got wattage utilization. I'm not joking, every 10-20 minutes I have to open the door in order to get the heat out because it's so hot in here. And yeah, aside from the heat, I think the best thing will be to have a winter, you know, and test this video card in the winter. Not in the summer, so hopefully we get to test it as soon as possible before summer is coming. Can't say nothing bad about the video card, can't say nothing bad about the system because it's being utilized properly and I like it. Look at that. What a nice performance. Yes, look at that. Managed to reach the bullets there. on maximum details with 1440p in this game. Apparently is doing a fantastic job on being utilized here. I actually see 70 FPS on average with 1440p with this amount of quality. It's actually fantastic. I love it, seriously. I love the performance this video card is offering me in games like this. You know, can go in newest Rally because the game doesn't support crossfire, but in this case with this video card you can actually see is doing a fantastic job. I love the performance this video card is offering here, you know. So if you're interested on having an old video card like this, you know, you already have it, you found a good deal, you managed to recover it from somewhere, you need to understand that if you put the right game to it, the video card is gonna perform really well with older titles with crossfire activated. And in this situation, fantastic work. Always wanted to drive a Subaru. Wide 6, left or right, up, down. Yes, I understand. Shut up. I did 1440p. Maximum details in Battlefield. Look at this. In this situation with this video card, you can clearly see that it's doing a fantastic job. There's no problem on utilizing this video card in Battlefield. 2.2 gig of VRAM utilized. I got like 74 degrees on the video card score. Not bad considering what performance I have. Hundreds of FPS. The CPU doesn't have a problem. 20-30% load in this case. Can't say nothing bad about it because it's doing the job. Yes, left, right, up and down. Ooh, the tank is inside. Let's go up 500 meters, turn around, and we're gonna dive into that tank. Yeah, look at that. Maximum details, 1440p. Everything is turned on. I love how it looks. I love how it's performing here. Let's see, 3.2 gig of VRAM utilized. I got 74 degrees on the GPU score. Maximum load on this occasion. Very nice performance. And I think this is one of those situations in which you can say, you know what? This crossfire is doing a fantastic job in this. Look at that. Go. Vehicle hit. The managed to hit me. Look at the plunker. I wanted to do a kill with the RPG. Dude, that was an impressive kill, seriously, I'm not gonna lie. Hundreds of FPS in this case. I got 82 FPS on minimal with hundreds on average. I'm curious, how many see 80 FPS on 1%? That's not okay, but it still does the job. This game knows how to utilize this video card, so in this case I got awesome performance with this. 3.4 gig of VRAM utilized. This is actually a good performance from the video card. I mean, on the system side, I got like 25% load on the CPU with 9.2 gig of system RAM utilized. Not a single problem here. There's a tank here somewhere. I want to kill that tank. This is actually a good... This is gonna be a very hard test on this video card because I got 1440p maximum details with this video card and I got maximum VRAM utilization. Everything is turned on maximum details, 650 watts consumption from this, maximum code load, maximum VRAM utilization, 100 FPS on average. Feels very white, you know, like you took the contrast on the left side. Can't say nothing bad about it because it's doing the job, you know, in the crossfire. Let's see how Battlefield is working here. I tested it on the wrong map. Still 90 FPS on average. Oh man, this game has got lots of spikes now, but it's doing a fantastic job. 52 FPS. What the how managed to put 52 FPS here? Maximum load on the GPU score. I mean, sometimes it's dropping below 60 FPS. It's so many details here. Look at the plonker. Look at him on the roof. How the heck did they manage to get on that roof? Seriously. One-shot bullet from that pistol. This game is insane. Very spiky. There's a lot of going on here. I'm on ultra with 1440p, so you need to understand this game. It's utilizing this crossfire. 74 degrees on the core of the video card. Not a big problem. Last time I was here with this video card, I had a different type of CPU, so I just wanted to see how it's performing in GTA 5. I maxed out everything on DirectX 11 with 1440p. Everything is turned on, aside from long shadows and the extended shadows, because it makes no sense. But in this situation, you can see the video card is utilized 74 degrees on the second core, 71 on the first core. I got like 3.5 gig of VRAM utilized, and some stutter is starting to show up because I'm already on 100 FPS. But I don't think it's because of that core. But sometimes the core is on maximum 90, 100% load. It's actually doing a fantastic job, but the VRAM doesn't reach 3.6, I think. Let's see if we can pass 3.6 gig of VRAM utilized. 3.5, still the best load I've seen from one video card. Alright, this is a good performance overall. So 100 FPS in this situation is good. So GTA 5 in single player knows how to utilize this video card properly. The most important thing is to see how this game is running with this video card online, you know, if it stays around 90 FPS on average. Here you can see that it's spot on with this performance. In GTA 5 online with 1440p maximum details, you're gonna see that we get 60 FPS nearly with this video card online. Okay, so 3.5 gig of VRAM utilized. Usually online the VRAM is higher because it's around more people, I think, the different type of load on the video card, but the core on the video card is not maxed out. So in this situation I can see less wattage. Yes, 500 watts instead of nearly 650 watts consumption in single player. There it was maxing out the video card. Here is maxing out the CPU, I think. Seriously, I don't understand, but it's doing a fantastic job in this situation with this combination. Insane video card to test. I'm not gonna say nothing bad about it because it feels like I'm testing a nuclear reactor with this. Seriously, it looks interesting to have it on the table and look at it, you know, but the moment you plug it in, it's like you've always have that strange feeling. I hope this power supply won't ignite this video card. Seriously, it's not gonna spark, it's not gonna fume it. Every single time I'm in, I do a face like that. Seriously, instead, you know what I think? I think I have to I have to bring a blast shield every single time. An extractor and a fire extinguisher. Seriously, with this, it feels very weird whenever I put it in and want to start it. All jokes aside, the video card is doing a fantastic job. This dual BGA video card is still on the non-expensive parts, you know, you can still find them very cheap if you're interested, but it's like, it's very interesting to see them, other people testing it, but not to put them in the computer for efficiency. You know, I think the end for that IO is gonna come on one of them, because usually I see video cards like this. I think the last one that I've tested, it was with less temperature. This one was 74 degrees. Very impressive, you know, but I'm afraid about that IO. I think in the future is gonna be a problem replacing the parts, refurbishing it, you know, and majority of the time it's gonna be very hard to repair it, you know. But the performance from this video card, I think, can be replaced with a newer video card if you're not interested on having something for collection like this video card. But efficiency on this video cards, R9 295 and efficiency cannot be in the same sentence, you know. This is the problem in the situation. You know, I like this idea of dual BGA, you know, but this video card is way beyond efficiency. If you have it, don't sell it, because you don't get the same money that you pay for it. And maybe in the future it's gonna be more expensive. Just time to time turn it on so you can move that liquid and it doesn't stay in one position. I love this idea that it can play with crossfire. I don't recommend it because it's not very efficient, and yeah, that's it. For collection, it will be very, very valuable in the future. If you have any suggestion for this video card or for the system, leave a comment, smash that like button, and I will see you very soon.